Good evening, and today we'll be working on the week 2 of the programming. So, the week 2 we focus on data types. And for examples of data types are the boolean, integer, float, the character, and the string. So the integer is used for whole numbers, example 5. And then for the characters like single characters, so maybe like A or Z. And then the bool was for true or false statements. And then the string was for sequence of characters, and the double was for decimal numbers that have double figures after the point, a double or more, yeah, figures. And the float was for single decimal values, yeah. So data types, they define the kind of data variable, the kind of data variable can hold. So C++ it provides several built-in types like integers, floating points, characters, booleans, and so many. And each type has a size and range. So the integer has 4 bytes, float has 4 bytes, double has 8, character has 1, both character and bool they have 1, and then the string has 32. So each data type uses memory differently, as stated before, depending on its content. Yeah. So so I could give you examples on how to do the code. So maybe you go like int x is equal to 25. Sorry, int x is equal to 25. Yeah, like that. And that's what you do for the rest. So maybe float amount, or bool is raining, or character gender, or string name. Yeah, exactly like that. So, and we also worked on signed and unsigned. So numbers line showing between -100 to 100 are for signed, and from 0 to 200 is for unsigned. So signed types can hold negative and positive values, but the unsigned types only hold non-negative values starting from 0. So you use them when you don't expect negative numbers. That's the unsigned. And then we also have the composite and user-defined types. So C has composite types. Please hold. Yeah, with the composite and the user defined, C has composite types like arrays and pointers, and the user defined types like structures and enumerations. But I thought you said we'll explore those in later weeks. And we also have the declaring multiple variables. So you can declare multiple variables of the same type in one line by separating them with commas. So like the int I did there, so the int x comma y comma z, then you put a semicolon there, then your values. And we also have scopes. We did global scope and local scope. So the global scope is outside the mainstream, and the local is within the mainstream. Yeah. So scope defines where a variable can be used. A variable declared inside a function is local, and one declared outside is global. C++ allows different ways to initialize variables. So you could choose whichever style fits your code style or project requirements. And that's all we did for week 2. And thank you.